All right, guys, these are going to be the solutions for the 13.1, 13.2, Part 2 quick check. The first question asks us to either make a tree diagram, table, or list. So there's 3 different ways you could go about doing this. I will go through and individually grade everybody's. I'm just going to do a tree diagram because I like those. So we're going to talk about she's doing camp, and she has the choice of going to, I'm going to say L for Longhorn, P for Pinecrove, and T for T-Bar. So L, P, and T. And then she has the choice to go in June, July, let's not do another L, July or August. So each one of these, June, July, August, June, July, August, and June, July, and August. So if you've done a table or if you did a list, that's fine too. I'll go through and individually check each one of these. And so if you did it a little bit differently, it's most likely right. If I've marked it incorrect and left you a note, please make sure you go through and read that. And I'll probably leave you a little bit of feedback as well. Okay, for our next question, it says, Chip and Joanna are redoing a kitchen on Fixer Upper. If they can choose from the following finishes, how many outcomes, so how many different ways could they get the new kitchen? And so all we're going to do is take all of these and multiply together. So 4 times 5 times 3 times 4. And when we do that, times 4, we get 240 different ways that that kitchen can be done. Okay, following to our next question. It says, identify if the following situations are permutations or combinations. A faculty ID number consists of 5 non-repeating numbers from 0 to 9. So you have to think about an ID number. If you change the order, is it going to give you the same person if you type that number into a system? Or is it going to give you a different person? It's going to give you a different person. So this is a permutation. So the order of that ID, just like a password, would matter. So remember, P, permutation, or password. It says for the next question, 5 out of 7 patients are given samples of new vitamins. 5 out of 7 patients are given samples of new vitamins. It doesn't say anything about how they are passing them out. It doesn't say that certain ones will get different types of vitamins. It just says 7 of the new patients, 5 out of the 7 new patients will get vitamins. And that's just going to be choose. That's just somebody's just picking 5 people out of a group of 7. And then Miss Hart can invite 5 of her 18 coworkers to her birthday party. Now, it doesn't say anything about the order in which I have to invite them or that I need to pick somebody first. So this is a combination. I am choosing 5 of my 18 coworkers to go to my birthday party. All right. Next, this is 6. Says 9 friends go to a school play. How many different ways can they sit in a row of 9 seats? So there's 9 friends, 9 seats. This is like an arrangement. So remember I said like seating charts and arrangements mean permutation. And you can either do 9 permutation 9, or which just ends up being 9 factorial, which is 362880. And then Miss Briscoe is ordering an enchilada plate. There are 7 types of enchiladas on the menu. And she can choose 3 different enchiladas. So choose. This is the key word here, guys. It says choose. When you see the word choose, what does choose start with? It starts with a C. So you're going to be doing combination. So this is a 7 choose 3 or 7 combination 3. And so the answer is 35. And then lastly, real fast, it says the chemistry club is selecting a president. So I need to pick a president, a vice president, and a secretary. It's made up of 18 members. So when they're voting for president, they have 18 options. Once they pick a president, they have one less option. So they have 17 for vice president. And then once they pick that for secretary, they only have 16 options. And so I just multiply each one of these together and I get 4,896.